Namaste, welcome to Simply Organized. In today's video, I've curated a list of my favorite decorating tips and tricks to customize your home with everyday household items. Do try these simple hacks if you are looking for budget friendly home decorating ideas. So, let's get started. Serving trays are incredibly versatile home decor elements that can be styled even in a wider range of ways. Although they are called serving trays, but their functions go way just beyond serving. They help you keep organized, create catch-all spots for similar items, and can tie a room together with a few well-placed accents on top of them. Your coffee table is the focal point of your living room, and it is a great place to experiment around with seasonal decorative items. And you can also decorate your coffee table with one large item over it to give it a minimalist approach. However, these days coffee tables are like decor items even if we put nothing on them. From beautiful stories to disguising clutter, there are endless ways you can include baskets in your home decor. You can use them to gather miscellaneous items that would otherwise clutter up your living room, and you can also use these baskets to hold toys, games, books, TV equipment, and many more. They not only tuck away all of those hard to store items, but they also can double as great home accessories on any surface. If you are looking for dressing table decorating ideas, fortunately there are plenty of dressing table organizers out there to keep your stash more manageable. And I give you the surety that any of these ideas will increase the beauty of your bedroom and make it more stunning and functional. They not only look stylish but also keep your items out there without being cluttered. No tableware set is complete without a fruit bowl, and they are the one of the most useful kitchen accessories since you will never run out of ways to use it. A fruit bowl doesn't just hold fruits but also hold colors and joy. One of the great ways to decorate a kitchen is with this beautiful canister set. Of course, they add to the decor, but they are also a great place to keep things like coffee, tea, and sugar. Use your countertop to beautifully organize all your tea and coffee necessities. This takes up a little space and makes grabbing easy when you need them. This is why I love these canisters for making this space so beautiful and functional. Add some personality to your home and prevent those awful drinks on your tabletops by placing some coasters under every drink. In fact, they can be beautiful accessories on any table and also keep your furniture free from blemishes and scratches. If you have space in your kitchen that you want to design on a budget, then menu board is the perfect option for you. On one hand, you can organize your weekly menu and grocery list, and on the other hand, it gives a perfect decor touch to your kitchen. Keep your cutlery neatly arranged on these cutlery holders. These cutlery holders create space for storing spoons and forks outside of the drawers and can help utilize the vertical space in the kitchen. Cutlery caddies are great, portable, and perfect decor for kitchen counters and dining table sets. Most of us think bathroom should be clean and tidy, but generally we don't bother much about decorating these spaces. It's a place where we spend, of course, not much time, but people notice the fixtures, the style you follow, even in decorating your bathrooms. Be it an own house or rented apartment, we can decorate them beyond expectations. And these dispensers add a finishing touch to the decor and also serve a convenient tool for hand wash. And this spherical soap dispenser is not just for soap. This beauty is also perfect for your hand lotions, sanitizers, and any other type of everyday cream. There is truly no limit when it comes to the amount of creative messenger decor ideas. You can easily turn them into a decor item just by painting it or put some cute accessories to make it more appealing. And organizing with mason jars is a wonderful way to keep everything in order. I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thank you for watching.